Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kum shibenta ban no senyang lemsha ke imlang ka salang hakum gane ka por baka klamjing pang COVID-19 kalawan linshop ting hagane ka jilla Meghalaya ki officer jong ka power grid kilami syakmat ban ai Jingïarap de ki Marbam sha ki shispa atli ki longying ki baduna ha ka yo ka kot ki basyong basa ha ka shnong lapalang shilong bat kum juru ya ki Asha ki batrai ha po ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka Rynjah state dispensary Kajing sam jong ka power grid ya kini ki Marbam kandai ka sen ka beningkong ha ka bagani ka office tray kam jong ka sarkar pedeng kalabu thong bandang yai peteng sa ki wei pat ki shnong ki thau ki badan ha po kani ka jilla ha kani ka snila sakhilang ru da ka block development officer jong ka maupat CNRD block nang tadi urang ba shnong bat urang ba dong jong ka shnong lapalang lembat ki Asha ki balayo pedeng ya kini ki lat Jingïarap na ka office jong ka power grid
Kini inisiatif telah sim lembaga office yang video, mapat sian di bawah, di ban ni kesnong badu pawret. Dan kalian so kesnong ni kau ban ai kini ka appreciation mo yo pawret baglala ban de balai long ibarit tambah still marhan ni have kini kita sini bun hagi baduk ki bak sakta si bun kini ka pandemic. Te na kalian so kesnong request su kini kita kini ki central agency mo ki ba laban contribute so much na mentara ni ki banan ni po shalom kamtam ngakin ai kim ni Jingïarap kan te kini kadi contribution tang lagi officer jong ya power grid ni how much they can offer also in tip kan tama wat evi long ibarit maglar ngi pedang bet te ha ka Jingïarap jangi ba kasnong bat ka do ba snong lapalang ba ka power grid ka layarap bun ki bagi dan kam ha ni power kan tum yesterday kita ai kini ki sanitizer ki mask around 85 packets.
We have made a very small contribution for the affected people of Shillong and Meghalaya by handing over some food packets from the contribution from the Power Grid Employee Welfare Fund and other contribution also we are discussing with local administration, headman and this district commissioner, and for isolation center they are creating for the benefit of the COVID affected patients, and little bit contribution whatever we can make, we are considering that. Our campus, we have made isolation center, we have oxygen also and isolated beds. Like our guest house, we have 6 rooms which are only being used for as a isolation center. Apart from that, we have in our community center, we also have facility for this for isolation center. One more thing, that is we have oxygen cylinder, about 6 numbers, and oxygen concentrator. Best way to take this challenge is to be at the in isolation. Don't come out of the houses, because if we are not meeting people, then we can really contain this disease.